raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens, bright copper kettles and warm woolen mittens, brown paper packages tied up with strings. These are a few of my favorite things. Cream-colored ponies and crisp apple strudels, doorbells and sleigh bells and schnitzel with noodles, wild geese that fly with the moon on their wings. These are a few of my favorite things. Girls in white dresses with blue satin sashes, snowflakes that stay on my nose and eyelashes. High on a hill was a lonely goat herd, lay, hoo. Loud was the voice of the lonely goat herd, lay, hoo. Folks in a town that was quite remote heard, lay, hoo. Lusty and clear from the goat herd's throat heard, lay, hoo. Prince on the bridge of a castle moat heard, lay, hoo.
Men on a road with a load to tote heard, lay, hoo. Men in the midst of a troubled jolt heard, lay, hoo.
Men drinking beer with a foam afloat heard, lay, hoo.
I hate to go and leave this pretty sight.